Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do another resin art piece today because I made two yesterday. I made one I was going to make for my mom's birthday, which this is it. And it looks really pretty. Looks like the ocean and like kind of like maybe a sunset sky on top of the ocean, but I want to put a vinyl sticker over it, and I didn't want to cover up all the pretty effects on that one. And then with the leftovers, I made this little 6x6. Kind of looks like pink sandy beach, really pretty. So I figured I'd make another one because I want to do a Dutch pour. I want it to kind of look like flowers, and I kind of want the center to be open because that's where I'm going to put the sticker. So I already mixed up all my colors. So they're all right here. And then I'm gonna start off with a white base. And we're just gonna cover up this whole piece. So this is an 8x8 gesso board that I just got at Hobby Lobby. So we're gonna do white. I want to save a little bit of this. I am determined to do a Dutch pour with resin. I'm gonna need that. So I'm just gonna spread this out. I probably should have heated it up first. I think I'm gonna do that real quick. Heat it up real fast. And then that way it'll move. When you heat up your resin, it makes it more fluid and it makes it easier to move around. But make sure you keep your torch moving. You can use a heat gun too, which I have that as well. It just makes it more fluidy. I think I'm going to use a heat gun. Gonna plug in my heat gun. There we go. Let's turn up the heat.
Those are resins.
Yeah. I'm videotaping too.
Oh.
It's okay.
Okay.
I just want to let you know.
Yeah, let's stop
And my heat gun has a feature, a cool down feature, and it stays on for a long time, so I usually just unplug it so that you guys don't have to hear it. Okay, so we're gonna get, now it's spreading out. Nice. And be careful because your resin is warm. You don't want to burn yourself. But it does get warm when you use the heat gun on it. Okay, and we're gonna get this all the way over to the edges. Okay. Now we're gonna do some colors. So I'm gonna do a little puddle pour. I was trying to make pink, so I did red and white in this cup, but it's still kind of red. It's just not as deep as it was. So we'll do red, and then I made this teal color with blue, green, and a tad bit of fluorescent yellow. And I'm using, they're called Illuminite dyes for casting, and then Casting Craft in white, and then the Baltic Day mica powders, one in frozen ice and one in hot pink. So let's put a little bit of blue on that, see if that works out or if it ends up turning turning the wrong color because it's pretty dark. So we'll do some of that ice blue, a little bit of that hot pink. Okay, and then we're going to do a little bit of white in the center. And a little bit of white around. And it's okay because I'm going to blow this off this corner right here. So let's get lots of white around here, like so. And then we're going to heat it up because I want this to be very fluid. What just fell out of my heat gun? Dust or something. Okay. And then we're going to use the blow dryer to get some of this white over it. Oh yeah, that's much better. Oh, I'm really liking this one. Now that's more what I was looking for. That's beautiful. Do I want to do a small one up there or no? Kind of like that because the saying I want to put like right here. So maybe I could blow it out a little bit more that way. Let's blow it out a little bit more. That's super pretty. Let's see. I definitely like this one much better than the other ones. So let's kind of do, don't ruin it, Christina. Don't ruin it. Okay, a little bit of that. A little bit of red. I just want a little bit more color over here. Let's do a little bit of blue, a little bit of pink. Okay, white. I'll do the white around it. And a little bit in the center. Okay, let's heat this up. Okay. And then let's blow it out. Kind of ruined it. let's use, no, I unplugged that. Let's see if I, there's something in that. Just kind of letting it come down a little bit. Because I want a little more negative space up there. Okay. I was just kind of calculating how big my vinyl sticker is going to be. I'm going to make it on my Cricut. But this is super, super pretty. So I'm just kind of letting it flow off here. And if it's not flowing fast enough for you, or you want it to flow a little faster, you can heat it up. So you can torch it, get it warmed up, and it'll move faster. See how it's flowing a lot faster now? Ruining those cells though. Let's use the heat gun to move that down. You can push your resin around with your heat gun and move it where you want it. I want that moved down a little bit. There we go. Look at that. Got some cells going on. Okay, that's super pretty. I really like that. I think I'm gonna stop just like that. And why is there such a big glare on this? Here, I'll bring it up closer and show you guys. And I have enough resin, I'm gonna pull out something else and do another piece. So, this is the piece. Super pretty. I'm gonna leave that all blank up on top, of course, because I'm gonna put a vinyl sticker on there with a saying. So, that is gonna be that. Let me go ahead and put this down under a box. And we'll do another piece. We'll do some coasters. How about that? Do some coasters with these colors. Oh except I don't have any tiles that are taped off, so we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that. Let's get out. Actually, no, I think I'm going to be done with this. I'm going to stop this video here. I'll probably make another video and I'll do a set of coasters and show you guys, but that way I have time to tape them off and get them ready. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any comments, leave them down below. Make sure you hit subscribe and click that little bell to get notified of all my future videos. And I'll see you again soon.